Yes, Father. Selassie, the foundation. Big up Sentinel crew, for real. Big up all of the sound. Yo, how far we come from, I would there to represent same way, because it's a sound thing, we don't take it personal, that's just music. So you see that tune here? I mean alone that the world can play the tune here. Me alone, not even Downbeat can find it.
Most them tune is not special, it's sample. See, Garnet will say that, I want to take back chat. Rule them black cat.
Yes.
Rule them all the way.
But can I tell you something about black cats?
Long boy, have I told you, the class shouldn't be so easy. I've got some jail plate will kill your whole family. No, I know you wish there was no one.
We just gonna play some tune because I know so we have it.
You have to tell me you wanna play by yourself,
but
rule it.
Black cat rule our sound.
I mean it, rule it.
Big up Jaro. Jaro play the most Garnet silk. A black cat alone can play that one here.
Alright, then big up Black Cat. You know, say that cat can't dead. You have 9 lives. You know, say big up Downbeat and Jaro, the highest mountain. You know, say and big up all people who made this clash possible. Big up the Rhythm Magazine, Buttered Up Sound, and for me family this. You know, say tune in at the early morning till we are breakdown. Remember what I tell you, say right now.
Make them know so this is the original sound Sentinel. If somewhere cross the border and
once again, what's the one called Mr. Tibet?
I'm gonna say, oh, Elmar, them for no. I'm
gonna
say, veteran Admiral Tibet, attack me on episode.
And remember, this is not a party time, but this is a serious time. It's the everlasting sound, Sentinel. So here it is. Sentinel is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. He's only in the Father, Elmar put his trust. Sentinel is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. Lord, all over the world, every sound is in a heated rush. It's not everything good to eat, good to talk, but I don't trust a sound guy after dark. They will walk and talk, eat and drink with you, pretend as if they are with you, but I won't let no sound on weed.
Oh laddie, laddie, black cat sound no afraid, and no idiot sound no country or down a town. Lord, listen, black cat is a good sound, not a little old pan sound. Black cat is a good sound, not a little tin pan sound. Pacha. So we're afraid that no guy old tin pan sound. Beat them a country, we beat them a town. Black cat beat them all around. Can we a good sound, not a little old pan sound.
Right now me a tune I play from night, you know. Me show off to you know, more and play a tune too. Saying, right now the special I only can play by Killamanjaro. And the most sound here play it is Carbon. This is the original. Listen up.
Yeah! King Jaro, this is exclusively yours. And no guy can open it when you close the doors. Rastafari, and I never say die. Oh yes. Whoa, yeah.
Listen up.
Take over the situation. Nations war against nations. Where did it all begin?
Easy father, Downbeat, Sentinel, Black Cat. We are one big family, you know. So play music in a unity, people.
There ain't no use, no one can stop it now.
What a unity, man.
There's no use.
Give me a picture, man. Give me a picture there.
Now. Give them an inch.
Give me a picture there, picture, man.
Give them a
line up the camera, they want to not get this again, you know.
Once a man and twice a child, and everything is just for a while. But it seems like total destruction, the only solution. Yeah.
See it now.
There ain't no use, no one can stop it now. Ain't no use, you just can't stop Jaro now.
See what the quality say?
Come we go chant down Babylon one more time.
One now.
Come we go chant down Babylon one more time. Yeah.
One now.
Cause them soft, yes them soft, Rasta know them soft. Come we go chant down Babylon one more time.
You know why we are chant down Babylon?
I can hear the sound of the Rastaman say, Babylon is down, 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 down. Babylon, you're thrown down.
Pull up! Father Screw!
Respect Freddie, cause I know we are friends for life, my youth. Now, Massive, you're the one of a kind combination here. Freddie McGregor alongside Sammy Dreadlocks. This is that tune here.
And sound in town. Downbeat is that sound. When you wanna hear good music, yes, you've got to choose.
Yes, Freddie.
Downbeat is the true born champion.
Freddie
sound.
McGregor.
When you wanna groove and when you wanna move, Downbeat a true champion sound. True champion.
Listen to rhythm here. 30 tune from the rhythm. Yes.
Combination. Run it.
Listen to tune here.
Downbeat all on it.
Listen to tune here.
McGregor, Sammy Dreadlocks.
Hear that tune here.
Hey. Somewhere we're ready right now, hold on steady. We're moving up at lightning speed. Take back seat and wait for we're ready. Downbeat with dire somewhere, hold on steady, y'all. A downbeat sailing on the ocean.
Respect.
Enough the bar, we don't need no commotion.
Yes, yes.
A downbeat sailing on the ocean. Whoa, na 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 na. Downbeat sailing on the ocean.
Where's Sammy Dread there?
Sammy Dread.
Easy, Yuli.
Sound, Downbeat. A1 sound. Downbeat, you sailing on the ocean. I'm on Sammy Dreadlocks and the men.
Where's Freddie there again?
Freddie McGregor.
Yes, Freddie. One more time, Freddie.
Oh, na 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 na, yeah, na.
Yeah.
Oh, na 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 na, yeah. I hear me say, Jah, yes, him never feel high. Go down on my knees and I pray every day.
Yes,
Downbeat sound never feel.
Yes.
Big respect, Tony's crew, the top master. You hear me I say? I'm going to play Admiral Tibet again. And this one is a message for Jaro, same ways. You kill me tonight. Alright, respect for that. I feel to work that, right? So, but listen what the Admiral Tibet have to tell you.
General Rise and a son boy flat and scatter. Admiral Tibet said this without any apology. Empress Nadia, enough respect. Tilo, Elmar, Admiral Tibet say, Irie. You see? Revolution.
Said it just ain't over. Said the war ain't over. It just ain't over. Oh no. The war between Sentinel and the sound ain't over.
No.
Wanna better pack up on the sound and leave now before we chant the murder. Yeah. The war
Between Sentinel and the sound can.
Wanna better pack up on the sound and leave now before we chant the murder. Hear this. Pack up your mixer, pack up your changer. Pack up your equalizer and your echo chamber. You better make it before we chant the murder. Or else them won't call we murderer.
Yes.
The war between Sentinel
And a song can't over. Request to all of the sound man them. Request to Father Downbeat. But from night, the sound them a play, I'm gonna hear them play the artist. And the rhythm here. Listen to the rhythm here.
Brother Swag kill them and done and making a fun. Blow out. Ciao. Black cat. Cool out. Easy to quench it. Sit down. Skitty bang bang. Why yeah.
You see that sound here?
Yeah.
I know an easy sound.
Look at it. All the massive them are run come
To
hear Black Cat play.
Oh yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
to hear Black Cat play.
All
the massive them are run come to hear Black Cat play.
Oh yes.
Oh yes,
Oh yes.
oh yes,
Oh yeah.
From the day I know Black Cat,
He have been killing sound boy.
Many of you all don't know this. You see, an artist a Zebra Daddy. Dennis Walks some name. For real.
Father Screw, big up Black Cat, Downbeat, Sentinel, no word yourself. See, but I still wanna play that one for the Germany people what they are in the morning. Yeah. Stuttgart people, listen to one now. Freddie McGregor.
Run it on the well, bro. How could you wanna see the big bad songs stop playing around? No way, no way. How we name Jah?
So we are the tallest mountain. One now.
So many people wanna see King Jaro stop playing around, but we can't. So many some boy wanna see we
in the morning now.
Stuttgart people. Murder them no King Jaro, murder them. Murder them with rubber duck selection. Murder them and Jaro come murder.
Father School. That's how we are doing it, man.
Now my savior, I'm going to play a Luciana for you that no sound in the world can play this Luciana. This one named Vibes Out at Black Scorpio Studio. See, Luciana. This one. Vibes Out. Why am I telling you, Luciana? Vibes Out at Black Scorpio Studio.
Well, let it you, and the Downbeat International song. You young people, I love you eternally. This is the messenger. The mic is on the house. Father Downbeat.
Mr. Luciana. Mr. Luciana. No sound, no.
What a feeling. Jamming sound is playing and I feel alright.
30 tune pan rhythm. Now massive me have 30 tune pan rhythm, trust me. You hear the rhythm bad.
Jamming sound is playing and I feel so right.
Yes, Luciana.
Oh, what a night it will be when people from all walks of life could take time to give praises to the Holy One. When the Downbeat Sound International playing on the first shot.
Luciana.
Oh, what a feeling. Downbeat playing in the Lord.
Thank you, Luciana.
Alright, the messenger. One on me, people. I'm going to play a tune which was custom made for this clash. And this is a youth out of Stuttgart where I have enough talent, Mr. Anthony Lux. Big up yourself anywhere I'm there. He did that tune especially for that night. So me have to play it. Cause me never had no time to play that one in the class. So without any disrespect to anybody in your ear, the one called.
Cause if you live in a
Anthony Lux
house, don't throw stones.
Get used to the one you know.
Cause if you can't play rough, don't you play no more.
Remember me I tell you say,
you want the big bad Anthony Lux alongside Sentinel everlasting song.
them you have enough talent.
Come fi kill them, yeah. In our Munich tonight, when Sentinel sound a kill, Black Cat sound, cause Sentinel a champion, killing out any jump and anywhere. A time and place, sound boy you must go down. Sentinel sound a kill, Killamanjaro sound, cause Sentinel a champion, killing out any jump and anywhere. A time and place, we kill them each and every day. When we come in a dance, and Sentinel's on a play. Oh Lord, I don't need to be interrupted by a heated sound. Oh, I try come dance. Take a step.
Yes, Sentinel, a good tune, but we're going to play a bigger tune. Dennis Brown.
Black Cat comes again.
Whoa.
Hold on. Some boys them are weeping and I'm moaning, yeah, weeping and I'm moaning alone. Some boys them are weeping and weeping and I'm moaning. Hey, them sound just a pack up.
Hey,
and them no know to come over.
Hey, hey,
get to come over.
Hey, pull up D, bro. You know, me like them thing here, cause you know reggae music. We sleep reggae music, dream reggae music, eat reggae music. All when me I walk on the road, me I walk reggae music. So, you see that one I'm going to play? Request to all who love reggae music. And y'all listen to Killamanjaro, long time. Say it. Big up the Germany people them. Because I know me love you know. Say it. And before the left, more to the listener one you know.
And Jaro. Massive and crew, what you say? Killamanjaro.
Father school, you know a big tune, no?
Respect Junior Merlin.
Killamanjaro.
Wicked. Easy, Ole.
Killamanjaro in the Lord. He's in the nation.
Yes, Usla.
Authentic selection.
Yes.
Police one Jaro.
Yes, Jaro. Yeah, alone. Play a certain tune. Anyway, massive, I'm going to play a Dennis Brown for you. No sound in the world can play this Dennis Brown. Listen to Dennis Brown. You want to see a thing in a massive. When I voice a tune here, Dennis Brown laugh and say, Downbeat, you have to give me that tune, you have to go into the archive. But him never live, forget it in the archive. Listen to that tune here, Dennis Brown. Listen to Dennis Brown now.
And now, this I don't be time.
Yes, Dennis.
It's not your time.
Dennis Brown, man.
Whoa.
Listen to Dennis Brown here. He's the black cat.
Listen up, I say now. And this I don't be time. It is not your time. This I don't be time. Fulfillment time.
Why am I not lying now? It's no sound in the world where I play Downbeat dub to dub. No sound.
When it's the to me, don't be hit. Oh, the day it will be. But this I don't need time.
Alright.
But this is not your time. A fulfillment time. Soul boy, it is not your time.
Alright, Munich people.
This I don't need.
You know what say them say? This is the next one. I'm going to be the last tune. Well, maybe not really the last one, but you see, Mr. Screw, you will tell me now. Yeah. One thing me have to tell you, we can't run left them next artists, yeah. You have to play them next artist. You can't left them artists, yeah.
This is Sentinel, Big Bad Sound, alongside the Mighty Diamonds. Come on it, fast. Yes,
can't left them artists, yeah.
Whoa, yes, Sentinel you rule. Whoa, yeah. Sentinel will never run away. No. Sentinel will never run away. Sentinel, prophesy, say, oh yes, a sound boy I gonna find him backs behind the walls. Oh yes, it a go bitter. Now Sentinel come. Lord, you ma go charge Say ain't no sound that move me. Say ain't no sound that groove me like Black Cat do. Black Cat do. Black Cat do. Say play me rubber dub now. Play for everyone. Black Cat, we are the number one.
Respect.
Black Cat, we are the number one. A son boy try to this Black Cat. We lick a son boy down. Dub plate we are playing on the country. Rural country town. And if a son boy try to test,
respect,
we will lick him down. Cause we rule in every contest.
Yes, Black Cat.
Yeah.
Now, massive, my final song for the night. And thank you once more for being here, and I hope to see you all again in the future. And this is my final song for the night. And I'm going to give you a treat. This song is a combination of King Stitch, alongside Tyrone Taylor, alongside the Termites, who is the original Light Park. Listen to that tune here, one of a kind.
Hey, son boy, you're fool.
Yes.
Oh, you come down with the sound. You know some down. Oh, yeah.
on, I have to start a tune right. One of a kind tune, yeah.
Hey, sound boy, you're fool.
Yes, Tyrone Taylor.
Oh, you come from the Downbeat sound.
Sound boy. Oh, yeah.
You know some Downbeat sound, champion sound.
Tyrone Taylor.
Oh, no.
Listen
Sound boy, you make a big mistake.
Big mistake.
Tyrone Taylor.
Kingston said that.
When you're silent, Downbeat down. Put loose and fancy free. Ladies, that's the only way to be. Take your pleasure where you find it. Some boy, you make a big mistake.
You just find
Yes, Tyrone Taylor.
Some boy, you make a big mistake.
You shouldn't do that.
All right, Blackyard. What a tune, man.
See, said I fell in a love with Black Cat sound. Black Cat killer sound boy, lick him to the ground. Sound boy, want it Black Cat sound. When we tried it at dope on you, whoa. Yeah, we did Black Cat lullaby.
Why Black Cat say, why me I tell you some of my youth, reggae music is strong. Now massive, listen to Greg Rice, okay? See, this sound is up too much.
Yeah, Downbeat the best.
Listen to Greg Rice, okay?
Lord.
Listen to Greg Rice, okay?
Lord, hang on, yeah.
Easy Freddy, my friend.
Downbeat is a storm. Whenever a sound boy come around, yeah. Downbeat will surely keep.